Hi guys, welcome to SHOT Show 2024. We're here at the Evike.com booth. My name is Ryan. Just going over some of the new products we have for display and release this year. First one is going to be the Terran Tactical MPX. So everyone's kind of familiar with the Sig Sauer MPX, and this is a upgraded, modified version in the same way that Terran Tactical would modify his MPXs that you can buy off his website. So you have an enhanced mag well down here, carbon fiber handguard, of course signature Terran base extension, engravings. Really cool gun for us this year. And next we have the Combat Master Alpha. So you're again familiar with the 2011 Combat Masters that he's released in the past. This one's a little bit more of a competition-oriented Combat Masters. You can see with the compensator on the front, the integrated slide cut, and of course that classic Combat Master styling. Fiber's already released. All right.
Got a couple new things if you guys want to see them.
Coming over to the wall for Daniel Defense over here, we have a gas blowback made by SEMA, the Daniel Defense Mark 18, using their new RAS3 rail system on the front. Really nice weight to this new version. They've kind of reworked how they do the outer barrel, so the balance and weight feels a little bit more real to the real thing. Of course, you have your Daniel Defense license bolt and covers in there. Daniel Defense furniture, EMG furniture on this one. Yeah, really excited about this one. Really further refining the SEMA MWS-based gas system.
Monday? Yep. We'll have, you should get a dealer email this week,
and for those of you looking for a electric Daniel Defense, we also have another offering from SEMA. It's going to be their Platinum gearbox on the inside. Very high-end performance right out of the box. Daniel Defense styling with the new RAS3 on the outside. Really cool gun for us this year. If you're looking for another AG that's like skirmish ready, this is the one to get.
Everybody likes it. Yeah. And then the other one is
cool. It's all pretty much the same. Flip this around. Another item for us this year in collaboration with Crytek, we have their Chris Vector, but this time in gas blowback. A lot of you guys might have seen the Chris Vector releases, but we also brought this to the show. We're showing off some of their Airsoft products with us today. So it's a brand new gas system from Crytek directly. A lot of you are familiar with the KWA produced version in the past. This is completely different on the inside, not using any of the same parts, but still a really cool gun to have offered on the market again for any of you gas blowback enthusiasts who also like the Chris Vector. I feel like this is flipped. Okay, what else do we have here? We have that, we have that, we have that. Yeah, okay. Also new for us this year is going to be some of the staccatos. So I'm really excited about the staccatos because, in particular, the way that they were able to do the grip texture on the grip modules. You'll notice how deep this texture goes, and it really grabs onto your skin really nicely, so it helps lock it in, give you a nice positive connection when you're firing the gun. We have it in two different versions, both of which are already on our website. We have the EMG staccatos up top right here in a variety of different grip versions. And we also have the 6mm Pro Shot versions on the bottom. These are all with a hand stippled texture, both accepting a variety of optics in different sizes and lengths. We have stuff from anywhere from the XL to the P to the XC, just different varieties for all of you looking for those staccatos out there. And next, we had the Canex out last year as well, but this year we have a new version. It's going to be coming with the Salient Gold outer barrel. And also this version includes a accessories kit. It includes a holster and some other accessories that come with the gun, more of a starter package. That's that. Excuse me. Thanks. then in the same way, following a lot of the other SEMA gas blowback releases, we have one of their Noveskis, and we had these last year, but this year's really cool in that we have a bazooka green coloration. So you'll notice how nice they're able to get that finish on the outside with it. Again, SEMA-based MWS system. They're getting better and better, getting more refined, still same great reliable action. Cool. Excuse me, I'm gonna just kind of cut in. No, you're good, man. What's up, buddy? Another cool release for us this year, we have 2 AKs from LCT that are both under the Rifle Dynamics licensing. So if you're familiar with LCT quality, you'll also get it in the really cool Rifle Dynamics package with their folding stock adapter on the back and their rail on the front. And then last but not least, we have an updated Rifle Dynamics AK from SEMA, this time with an updated color. We had a slightly different color variation last year, but this is the new updated color. I don't remember if we had, oh, these are new, I guess, yeah. And then last but not least, we have more Rifle Dynamics AKs from SEMA. This is featuring the M-LOK handguard on the front, folding stock in the rear, and flat top rail on the top, along with licensed Rifle Dynamics trademarks. And that's new from us this year at EMG. Thanks guys for stopping by the Evike.com booth here at SHOT Show 2024. We can't wait to show you what we have in store for next year.